If you just lost your wallet, do not spend the next 2 hours retracing your steps while someone uses your cards. Here is the exact emergency protocol to freeze your life in 60 seconds. Step 1. Open your mobile banking apps immediately and toggle the lock card, or freeze, feature on every debit and credit card. This blocks new transactions instantly without permanently canceling the card if you find your wallet 10 minutes later. Step 2. If your driver's license or social security details were inside, call or go online to any one of the 3 major credit bureaus and place a fraud alert. Placing it with one bureau legally forces them to notify the other 2, blocking anyone from opening loans in your name. Step 3. File a non-emergency police report online for a lost or stolen ID. You will need this official report number to replace your driver's license and dispute any fraudulent charges later. Your search ends here.